Hey guys, this is Dana with The Best Life, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a healthy after-school snack using my Vitamix blender. Guys, to let you know, this Vitamix is the same blender that is used by Starbucks and Smoothie King. So yes, I am gonna make some really good smoothie right here. Hint, hint, this video was requested by you know who you are. Hey, what's up? Guys, this is Dana with The Best Life and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell button to be notified on new videos. Smooches. So before I get started, let me just show you my ingredients. I have a cup filled with strawberries and I have some blueberries inside here, guys. And I have a whole banana. And hey, I have a half a cup of sugar. You can substitute it for a little bit of honey if you are watching your figure. And let's not forget the ice. So I'm loaded with some ice inside here. And let's get this party started. Once again, this is by my Vitamix, and this is the blender that's being used by Smoothie King and Starbucks. Let's get started. Make the smoothie. Yes. Dropping in our strawberries.
Okay, pick me up.
Wait. Dropping in those blueberries. Okay, he wants the sugar to go in. Uh-oh. I think we had an accident here.
Yeah.
Accident all cleaned up. Let's just put the sugar in. Dropping in my bananas. And loading it down with some ice, that's right. Now it's time to make the smoothie. He is correct.
Yeah, we need water and then...
I don't think we need any water in here. Alrighty, so we're gonna start blending this bad boy up. Alrighty guys, are you ready to try some smoothie? This is the absolute best blender on the market, guys. Let's go ahead and pour this smoothie out. Look at that.
Can I try it?
Yes, you can try it. You want to give it a try? Yeah. I'm gonna give it a try now.
I'm gonna get a try now.
He's gonna give it a try now. Guys, my smoothie, this is strawberry, banana, blueberry. My smoothie is absolutely delicious. This is what I call some good stuff. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And guys, please leave comments in the bottom if this is something that you would like for me to continue to do as far as making videos or possibly creating a challenge. Leave that in the comment and I just may take you up on your offer. Remember guys, life is what you make of it. Always has been, always will be. Smooches for now. Mwah. Bye for now.